I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the watch and phone for the OS change. Charge the watch to at least 80% before starting any OS change. Record the watch model, current OS version, and build number so you can download the correct firmware. On your phone, enable developer options in the Companion app and enable ADB debugging. Create a full backup using the Companion app or an ADB backup command. Verify the backup completed and copy it to a secure folder on your computer. Next, install the required tools and download firmware for your exact model. Install ADB, Fastboot, and the proper device drivers on your computer before connecting the watch. Download the correct firmware image and a signed recovery file that matches the model and build number. Verify checksums for the firmware file to ensure integrity before flashing. Keep at least 500 megabytes free on the watch and 1 gigabyte free on the phone during the process. Prepare a USB cable rated for data transfer. Now flash the recovery and firmware following precise step-by-step commands. Boot the watch into the bootloader or recovery using the hardware key combo or ADB reboot bootloader command. Flash the recovery first, then flash the firmware image with Fastboot or the vendor flashing tool as instructed for your model. After flashing, reboot the watch and verify it boots to the new OS without errors. Restore your backup using the Companion app or ADB Restore. Confirm sensors, notifications, and Bluetooth pairing function correctly after restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.